Q-01 Plus Magic Tool LED Display Front Maintenance Tool is EagerLED latest efficient, safe, and convenient maintenance equipment designed specifically for the front maintenance of LED displays. Firstly, Q-01 Plus adopts a switch anti-collision design, effectively avoiding the risk of accidental opening. During use, this design ensures that the tool always remains closed in a non-operational state, thereby avoiding equipment damage or safety accidents caused by misoperation. The unique duct design of the tool optimizes heat dissipation performance, allowing the motor to maintain a lower temperature during operation. Q-01 Plus also has a unique limit design, which can effectively prevent PCB board warping and lamp head detachment. During maintenance, limit design can ensure the flatness and stability of the module, prevent physical damage caused by improper operation, and thus protect the integrity and display effect of the LED display screen. To ensure the safety of LED modules during maintenance, Q-01 Plus is equipped with a unique anti-static design. This design can effectively eliminate the potential damage of static electricity to electronic components, ensuring the long-term stable operation of the module. This is particularly important for the maintenance of high-precision LED displays, as it can prevent irreversible damage to sensitive electronic components caused by static electricity.